afternoon, and welcome to 5 terrible English sentences that sound beautiful in French. As you know, French is the language of love and makes even the most terrible sentences sound better. So yet we have to prove today. Stay tuned and find out. First sentence. In English,
I've seen roadkill with better fashion than what you're wearing.
and in French,
J'ai vu tuer sur la route avec une meilleure façon, alors ce que vous portez.
doesn't it sound better? And for our second sentence,
Your face is rougher than heavy-duty sandpaper.
and now in French.
Votre visage est plus rugueuse que du papier de velours.
Much more beautiful, isn't it? Mwah, magnifico. And for our third sentence, third time the charm, let's hear it. First in English.
You're so massive that a house is just a scale model to you.
And in French.
Vous êtes tellement massif que la maison est juste un modèle à l'échelle de vous.
Ah. Fourth sentence. Very beautiful, very beautiful.
You live by yourself. Did you eat your family?
And now in French.
Vous vivez par vous-même. Avez-vous mangé votre famille?
Alright, the last and final one. Hard to recover from that last time. Brace yourself like a rope. Brace yourself. Alright, this one isn't really a sentence. It's more of just a phrase. It doesn't contain any verbs, so yeah. Come on, load.
Dripping maggot fuss.
And now, French.
Dripping maggot cul.
Just engine.